Hello everyone. In this video I will show how to use the pvecm R package to estimate panel vector error correction models. I create this R package and is appropriate when you have heterogeneous panels. It's not appropriate when your panel is homogeneous. So in order to use this R package, we will install it first. We can install it by writing this in your console and pressing enter, and now we will see that our package is installed. We load it, and this package we will work with the functions. We will work first with this pvecm function that actually estimates the vector error correction model. Here, as we can see here, we set the right hand side regressors. We set here in left hand side the variable that will be our dependent variable. Here, using this, we can include I0 variables in case that our method of estimation is the dynamic OLS method. Cross-section here is where you include the variable that will act for identify the cross-sections. In time, we include the variable that will act for identify the time. Here is for dummies in the short-term relationship, and here is which deterministic we will use in the long-run relationship. If, for example, you want to include a trend, and this is for deterministics in the short-run equations. Here we set the number of lags that we will include in the panel vector error correction model, and these are all pertaining the coinreg package. I mean, my R package use coinreg to estimate the long-run relationship. You can use dynamic OLS or fully modified OLS. Here, we have the meaning, but we only have false. We can only set the meaning false in the current version of this package. Later, probably I will include this possibility. This means that if you have cross-sectional dependency, you are better off first demeaning your data. You can find a function in R to demean your data that I have in my web page, and I will leave the link to this function in the description of this video to demean your data. So once that our package is installed, we just will run the example. So let's run the example. We will copy all this. Oh wow, I forgot to load the required package. So dplyr coin regression plm base stats then lm. Here it is. This grouping panel VECM. The long-run cointegrate vector is estimated here, And here is the VECM. This is the equation for capital, this is the equation for investment, and this is the equation for value. These are variables in the Grunfeld data. If we want to try with one lag, for example, you can set here 1, and we will get this result, and you can play with it. So now that we have estimated the cells object, we can use the second function, is this one, to obtain the causality tests. So we can use this, for example. And here is the causality test. Let's use other method instead of lambda. Let's use proportion. These are the values for the capital equation, for the investment equation, and for value equation. Or we can use group T. Here you go. And here we obtain group T. Well, this is all. In case you find any bug or have any suggestion to add functions to this package, please let me know in Twitter, or you can contact me in LinkedIn or wherever. Very much thank you.